Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd come on and show you an outgoing happy mail. So this is the box that I am sending it in. Before I get started, if you like my video, consider subscribing. It would really help me out, and also leaving a like down below. So this box is 12 inches across. It is a little under 10 inches wide and 6.5 inches deep. So I'm going to put this off to the side and I'm going to show you what I'm sending in this happy mail. So I'm just going to grab things out from the top and show you. So first off, I'm sending this little handmade goodie here. This is a bag topper, and I've just packaged it up in some clear packaging, and I put my own bag topper on the top. You'll notice that this is using the Sunny Days collection throughout. I kind of like having themes when I send happy mail, so this one I wanted to do a Sunny Days theme, so this is the first one here. Next I have this little packaged goodie here. Inside of this is just, I think it's a stamp set. So this is a stamp set, and I just packaged it up with some of the paper from the collection. I have sewn this paper closed with the goodie inside, and I've just done some decorating on the front. So I layered 2 doilies. This little embellishment cluster on the front here was gifted to me from my friend Catherine. We did happy mail swap, and then I just added some of the chipboard from the collection. I love how that one looks. It looks so cute. Another little goodie is, I think this one here is some rhinestones. So I did the same thing where I just used some paper as some packaging, made a little bag topper up the top. I used a little embellishment again from Catherine, and I just added some things on the side. So I've got some leaves, and this is butterflies from Sunny Days, and I've also laid a doily, but you can barely tell. I'm also sending some ribbon, just in this little pink, organza bag. I just wanted it to look a little bit prettier. Next I'm sending these little foam flower embellishments. So they're foam laid up with some flowers and just some paper, and I just made this little bag topper. In here I made some handmade embellishments. So I made the box using paper from the collection, and I just tied some ribbon around it to keep it closed. And if I open it up quickly, I have a little butterfly here that I made. Then on the inside of the box, if I just pull it open, I've gifted her some more of these little butterflies that I made. These are just cut from the scrap paper that I had from the collection, and I also wrapped some twine around them. If you'd like a tutorial and anything you see, please let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to film it for you. So these just go in this little box here. Next I just have another goodie here, which same thing, I used the paper from the collection as a baggie, and then I added a bag topper that I made using the collection. So there's just some chipboard and some stickers and a whole bunch of layering. I really like how this one turned out, and also have a dangle here on the side. This here is the embellishment book that I made in my first Sunny Days project share, and I have packaged it up in some cellophane, and I also put some shred in it so it's a little bit hidden. The person who receives this, I know that they look at my stuff, so they're probably going to know what it is as soon as they get it, but I'm hoping this will be a little bit of a disguise, so they might not know what it is. If you want to see a close-up of this, please go check out that Sunny Days video. Next, in this little one, I'm sending a tag flip that I made. It's just in a little bunny bag from my stash, and I also did the same thing where I put some shred in there, and I put 2 pom-poms that I made recently using a DIY pom-pom maker. I love how these turn out, and they look so cute, and the colours match really well with the collection. In this little package here is the sequins embellishment book that I made. I have another one here. This one is Sunny Days themed. This is what it looks like. So it opens up like this, and you have goodies in here, and it's all one big giant shaker. So this is just a different themed one that I've made, but that is what is in here, and I just simply packaged it up in some cellophane because I thought it would look really cute and they won't know what it is until they open it. In there is also a memory decks card. If you want to see a close-up of this same thing, it's in that First Sunny Days project share. Then I'm sending this box, which I made ages ago, and I'm finally getting around to sending it out. So it's just a cluster here, and it opens up like so with some Velcro, and it's a nice little book box. So you pull out the book here, and then inside there's nothing, it's just a storage box. And here's the front using one of those mini cotton candy embellishments that I made. I have a video on that if you're interested in watching it. And then I just decorated it with heaps of things from my stash. And when you open it up, I have another little circle embellishment that I made. This one here has another one of those cotton candy embellishments and just some layering of flowers. That just goes in that little pocket there. And then here I have the first page of a tag flip that they can use, and then I have the pages they can use to make their own tag flips. So I thought they could use this as some inspiration and then do it themselves. This is just a tassel that I made, and here's another little tassel that I've just attached to the front for them. They just sit in there, and then that closes up, and then this just sneaks back in. Last but not least, I have this adorable wrapped up package here. Inside is a banner that I made. I think I have photos on my Instagram, but I can't open it up and show you, so I'll quickly do that. So this banner spells out dream. So here's the first one here. This is using a reject store collection, and I just laid up some doilies. And here's the first one. I just did a cluster. All of them have a trim down the bottom, I believe. Here's the first letter. So there's the D. Then here is the R. So it also goes pink, blue, pink, blue. Here's the R. I really like this one here. I've just got some chipboard on there. And again, I've laid some doilies and done a little banner here on the side. Then here's the E, which again, laid some doilies and then just done a cluster on the side. This was really fun to make. Added some trim down the bottom. Here is the A. I love this one here. I love this big cluster down the bottom. I think it looks so pretty with those big foam flowers, which are really hard to use. And I used some cork thickers from my stash. And then the final one is the M, which has 4 different doilies on it, and also this beautiful butterfly up the top here, which I love. It flaps, and then also a flower leaf cluster on the side. So I'm sending that as well. This can be hung up in your craft room, and that will look really, 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 really cute. So down the bottom I have this blue tissue paper, and I'm going to take my box of shred that I have beside me and just put some of it inside, just on the bottom, so it has a really cute little bed on the bottom. So there we go. Okay, there we go. Then I'm going to put the banner on the side there, and I'm going to put the big box down the bottom because that's also quite a large one. I'm going to put my tag flip in there. I'm kind of just layering as best as I can. I think actually that might have gone there initially and then that went there. Yes, it did. Okay. This is the hard part about packaging up. So you kind of just have to fiddle around until you can get it to fit. Put the little embellishment box in there. I'm going to put some shred in there. Just so things don't move around too much. I don't think it will move around, but if it does, it's protected. And I'm going to put a little more shred in there, just so that it looks pretty, because I love shred. And I'm going to put the goodies in. This one here is just gonna sneak down on the side there. And that one. With these types of things, you kind of do have to squish it in sometimes. Put my little box there. Then I'm going to put shred on the top. Because I don't like them to see. It's going to look like, I also have some not sequins, some confetti. And I'm going to sprinkle on top as well. Don't want them to have any idea what this is. And then I'm going to sprinkle some of this gild on. A little bit more confetti on the side there. Okay. I'm going to put my card on the top and then send this off. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Like I said at the start, if you did, please subscribe. It would really help me out. And if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know. Bye guys.